back to Toy's channel, everyone, and in front of me I have got 4 boxes of the What If Cosbaby by Hot Toys. The Supreme Doctor Strange here, and then it's the Demon Hunter, Spider-Man, it should be Zombie Hunter. On the left I have got the Captain Britain, i.e. Captain Carter here on the top, and then down at the bottom is Party Thor. So there's quite a lot of What If merch in front of me, not just Cosbabies. Actually, I've also opened up a full box of the Lego What If figurines, so you can also check out that video down here in the link below. As always, please remember to like the like button and subscribe to my channel for more stuff like this, Marvel, Hot Toys, Demon Slayer, vlogs, etc. We are opening the Doctor Strange Supreme in this one. Similar to the other boxes, with this transparent piece of plastic, it comes with this rainbow effect once you've got lights on it, and it looks pretty darn cool as you can see it being reflected here. The figure itself, it has got the luminous reflective effect. I think it's on the eyes, and also there is the What If logo at the top, complemented by these reflective hexagons, or honeycomb if you will, in bronze color, and also more honeycombs here, similar to the designs that we've seen on the Zombie Hunter Spider as well as the Captain Carter ones. And this one is in purple and orange because it resonates with the Doctor Strange figure here. On the right side we have got this really cool Doctor Strange Cosbaby illustration. He's even more awesome than the normal Doctor Strange that we see. I think the purple complements well with the kind of maroon and grey gown that he's got, and also of course his middle part of his outfit is different as well to the usual Doctor Strange that we see. Not to forget he's got gigantic eye bags in this one. And also at the back, the usual cautions and warnings, nothing special here. And also on this side, again, Cosbaby bobblehead. Again, it's got the purple and orange color theme. It's pretty cool, pretty great. And also at the top, just the bronze What If logo, reflective. And let's get opening. This is famously known as the window on the roof of the sanctum of Doctor Strange, and I think it goes pretty well with the rainbow aesthetic. Okay, so with this figure, it is pretty heavy in terms of weight. It is quite weighty when I pulled it out. As usual, you get the classic Doctor Strange hair here at the top, and also the other parts just swirl to the back, which is pretty cool. And on the sides, you get these kind of grayish part, as we've seen in the box art just now here. So it's supposed to be a little bit grayish, but I think the color isn't that distinguishable because of the gradient of the grey isn't too apparent in comparison to the brown hair that he's got at the top. The two color just matches too closely, so it doesn't bring out that drastic contrast that we've seen on the box, but nonetheless it's still doing an okay job. But I think in terms of the scalp, the plastic is molded quite badly here at the ear area. As you can see, these kind of bits are quite rough on the joints, but nonetheless we can't expect too much from a cheap toy like this. Moving on to the back, more nice scalp for the hair piece. I quite like it, to be honest. As I've said previously, this one, he looks like he's quite sleepy because of the purple eye bags, and also with the iris, it's in greyish blue, I think, or yeah, grayish pale blue. Brows are pretty done nicely, as well as the beard that he's got as usual. And also I like what they've done here with the near the eye area, and also with the cheekbones area as well. And moving down, we've got the two flames as effect pieces. This cannot be removed in any ways or forms. It is a little bit transparent, but not too transparent, so the opacity level is low with this one. With the gown, it looks pretty amazing. I like what they've done in terms of the color palette. Purple, gold, and some parts in navy here, as we see here. And it's very, very simple. Although I do wish that they've done something similar to the Spidey ones, something bendable with wires. I'm just thinking too much here, but nonetheless, I quite like the gown regardless the angle, whether it's at the back or the front. It looks really good. In the middle, you've got the purple parts running down, and also on the side, there's kind of brownish hair. And also he's got this cute belt with the golden circle here, and with the legs and boots area, not a lot going on here to be honest, because everything is focused at the top part in regards to the gown, in regards to the effect piece. And I think the boots are pretty simplistic to be honest, as well as the creases on the pants area. For the back side, not a lot going on here, pretty simplistic. And for the base, not going to take it off because I took quite a while to stick this support piece on the peg on the purple base. So purple base, what if, and as usual you can have the smaller base if you take it apart, and the bigger one if you assemble the two together. But for this one, I'll recommend to go with the bigger base, otherwise your figure might fall because of the balancing need, as he's a heavy chap. The headpiece, it wobbles only very, very slightly because of the limitation of the neck piece here. It kind of blocks the hair, as you can see already. It doesn't really give it that maneuverability, the degree that's needed to wobble a lot, but nonetheless, I quite like this figure. It's definitely not the best Cosbaby, but for a Doctor Strange one, it's pretty awesome. Right guys, so what do you think of the What If Cosbaby figures? Comment down below and let me know, and as always, please kindly like the like button and subscribe to my channel for more Hot Toys, Marvel, vlogs, Pokemon, stuff that I like, stuff that I do. Please check out my other videos as well on my channel. Hope you have a good time here, and I'll see you guys next time. Stay safe and see ya!